This video I will show you how to download offline map on Google Maps. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Directly open your Google Maps like this. And you see, for example, here, this location, I want to download the map from here to here. What I have to do, I will click here and I will go right now and click on offline map. So I will click select your own map, and right now you have to drag the places like this. Drag this to the places that you want to download, and here I click download, for example, and click start, and right now it's downloading, guys. To cancel it, click here, and that's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.